Ever wondered about your daily meal habits? Are you on the lookout for healthier options? It's no secret that what we eat plays a crucial role in how we feel, perform, and even how we look. But healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. It's all about finding the right balance and incorporating wholesome, delicious foods into our daily routine. That's what we're here for today. Our mission: to provide you with an array of simple, healthy, and delicious meal ideas. We're talking about meals that are not only nutritious, but also taste bud tickling. From a delightful breakfast of avocado toast to a quinoa salad for lunch, a refreshing smoothie bowl for an afternoon snack, and a hearty grilled chicken wrap for dinner. So whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your journey to healthier eating, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for some exciting, easy, and nutritious recipes that you can whip up in no time. Starting the day right sets the tone for the rest of the day. How about a nutritious breakfast with our avocado toast? Avocado toast is more than just a trendy dish. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can fuel your body for the day ahead. Let's dive right into how you can whip up this simple yet delicious meal in no time. First, you'll need a ripe avocado. If you gently squeeze it and it yields under pressure, it's ready to go. Slice the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the creamy flesh. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals, making them a fantastic ingredient to kickstart your day. Next, the toast. Opt for whole grain bread for added nutritional value. Whole grains are a fantastic source of fiber and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Pop your bread into the toaster until it's perfectly crispy. Now, it's time to mash your avocado. You can do this with a fork, making sure to mash it until it's smooth but still has some chunks for texture. Avocado's creamy texture not only tastes delicious, but also aids in nutrient absorption, making every bite count. Once your toast is ready, spread the mashed avocado generously over the top. The contrast between the crunchy toast and the creamy avocado is a delight to the senses. Let's not forget the seasonings. A pinch of salt and pepper can enhance the flavor, but feel free to get creative. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can add a zesty touch, or a sprinkle of chili flakes can give it a spicy kick. To finish off, you can top your avocado toast with a sunny side-up egg for a protein boost, or some cherry tomatoes for added freshness. The options are endless, and there you have it, a quick, easy, and nutritious breakfast that tastes as good as it looks. Avocado toast truly is a breakfast delight that can start your day on a positive and healthy note. Voila, your breakfast is served. A great start to a healthy day. Lunchtime calls for a meal that's filling yet light. What better than a quinoa salad? This ancient grain, once the gold of the Incas, is now a modern-day superfood. High in protein, fiber, and a host of essential vitamins and minerals, quinoa is the perfect base for our salad. Let's get started, shall we? First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial to remove any bitterness. Next, add 2 cups of water or broth to a pot, toss in the rinsed quinoa and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat, cover the pot and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the quinoa is tender and fluffy. While our quinoa is cooking, let's chop up some fresh veggies for added crunch and flavor. A bright mix of bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes will do the trick. Don't forget to add some protein. Chickpeas are a great option. They're not only rich in protein, but also in fiber, helping you feel full for longer. Now it's time for the dressing. A simple vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper will bring all the flavors together beautifully. If you're feeling adventurous, throw in some minced garlic and a dash of honey for a sweet and savory kick. Once the quinoa is ready, let it cool down a bit before mixing with the veggies and chickpeas. Drizzle the dressing over, toss everything together, and voila! A vibrant, nutritious quinoa salad that's both delicious and easy to prepare. But wait, we're not done yet. For a finishing touch, sprinkle some crumbled feta cheese and fresh parsley on top. The salty feta and the fresh parsley complement the salad perfectly, adding a layer of complexity to the taste. There you have it. A wholesome lunch that will keep you energized throughout the day. Feeling peckish in the afternoon? A smoothie bowl is just what you need. It's a delightful concoction that brings together the freshness of fruits, the crunch of seeds, and the smoothness of yogurt. So let's dive into the process of creating this refreshing afternoon snack. First off, we're going to start with a base. For this, we'll use a blend of ripe bananas and mixed berries. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium and provide quick energy to beat that afternoon slump. Mixed berries, on the other hand, are packed with antioxidants and lend a lovely colour and tang to our smoothie bowl. Next, pour the smoothie base into a bowl. Now comes the fun part, the toppings. The choice of toppings can vary based on your preference, but today we're going with a mix of chia seeds, flax seeds, and fresh fruits. Chia seeds are a great addition to any diet. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fibre, and protein. Flax seeds, too, are a nutritional powerhouse, boasting of omega-3s, fibre, and lignans, which are known for their antioxidant properties. As for the fruits, we're using a combination of kiwi and mango. Kiwis are low in calories and high in vitamin C. They also contain actinidin, a natural enzyme that aids in digestion. Mangoes, the king of fruits, are not just delicious, but also loaded with vitamin A and C. Finally, drizzle some honey on top for a touch of natural sweetness. Honey is a healthier alternative to sugar and has antimicrobial properties. And there you have it, a vibrant, delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl that's ready in minutes. It's the perfect blend of taste and health, making it an ideal afternoon snack. You can play around with the ingredients, making it new and exciting every time you make it. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean compromising on taste. It's all about finding the right balance and making smart choices. So the next time you're feeling a little hungry in the afternoon, whip up a smoothie bowl. A delightful snack that's not just pleasing to the palate, but also loaded with nutrients. For dinner, let's go for something hearty yet healthy. A grilled chicken wrap it is. Imagine tender pieces of chicken, grilled to perfection, coupled with an array of vibrant, crunchy vegetables, all tucked inside a warm, whole grain wrap. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? Well, in addition to being delicious, this meal is brimming with nutritional benefits that your body will thank you for. The star of the dish, the chicken, is a fantastic source of lean protein. Protein is essential for our bodies. It supports muscle growth and repair, and it's also key in keeping our immune system strong, but that's not all. The chicken is marinated in olive oil, which is known for its heart-healthy fats and antioxidants. Now, let's not forget about the other components of this wrap. The rainbow of vegetables we're adding not only brings a burst of colour and crunch, but they also offer a variety of vitamins and minerals. The red bell peppers add a sweet crunch and are packed with vitamin C. The spinach is a great source of iron and calcium. The onions and tomatoes lend a tangy punch, and they're fantastic for their antioxidant properties. And finally, wrapping it all up is our whole grain tortilla. Whole grains are a great source of fibre, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. And that's your dinner sorted. Healthy, tasty, and satisfying. Well, that wraps up our delicious day of healthy eating. We've journeyed from a breakfast delight of avocado toast to a lunch special of quinoa salad. We've savoured a nourishing afternoon snack of a smoothie bowl and ended our day with a dinner delicacy of grilled chicken wrap. Each of these easy recipes is not only bursting with flavour but also packed with nutrients. By incorporating these healthy meal ideas into your everyday life, you're taking a step towards better health. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Here's to making healthier choices, one meal at a time.